Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So, हामीलाई थाहा छ भिभोले V9 रिलिज गरिसक्यो. So let's get into the video and talk about it. So its display is about 6.3 inches long, which is 1080 by 2280 pixels, and it has multi-touch, and it works on Android 8.1 Oreo, as we all know. And then it is working on Qualcomm Snapdragon 626. That is, I think, the राम्रो छैन, older version हो Snapdragon को. So I think Vivo ले यसलाई थोरै नयाँ मोडलमा हाल्नु पर्ने थियो. I think राम्रो हुन्थ्यो. And then let's talk about its camera. It has dual primary camera, that is 16MP and 5MP with aperture 2.0 with a face detection, autofocus, and a flash LED. And its features are, it has geotagging, touch focus, face detection, and SDR and panorama, etc, and it can record up to 4K with 30 frames per second. And let's talk about the secondary camera. It has 24 megapixel secondary camera, front camera actually, and it records about 1080p, that is full HD, and its aperture is 2. And let's talk about its body. So in the side of it there is volume rocker button and a power button, and its bottom side it has 3.5mm headphone jack and USB charger, and then a speaker. So in the back of it, it has a fingerprint. So its pricing is about 38,000 rupees, that is too high. Let's talk about its camera detail, the real camera detail. So here you are seeing the picture taken by it. I think it is somewhere good. And now the last thing, that Oppo is also releasing its Oppo F7 and Oppo R15. If it will be released, I'll give a review of it like this. Funny review, Nepali review. I'm talking English, but it is a Nepali review because I am a Nepali boy and proud to be Nepali. But I don't talk that much because my Nepali is not too good. That's why. So if you really enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it is the main thing. Hit that subscribe button, and beside of it there will be a bell icon. Click that and you'll get all of my notifications, and that's it. Bye.